Hey, this is Matt. Welcome back to the channel where you will see the month number 6 update after my beard transplantation in Turkey this year. Before we start with the video, make sure you smash that like button if you are enjoying these updates coming on my channel. And as always, this video has been brought to you by GoFiber, which are hair building fibers you can use to mask any thinning or patchy areas on your scalp to make your hair look thicker and better. So make sure you check out the link in the video description below where you can visit GoFiber, get a free sample of your choice from them and try them out. See if you like them. Hey, this is Matt. Welcome back to the channel once again, where I'm regularly posting videos on topics like how to treat and manage your hair loss, how to catch it early on so you can get your hair back easier with the treatment. And if you're a guy who's already seriously considering hair or beard transplantation, you want to go to my website, educate yourself for free. You want to enter the Facebook group Hair Transplant Experiences with almost 4,000 active members who are informing themselves, want to make the well-informed decision before they do the surgery. So that's what you want to do as well to maximize your hair or beard transplant success. All right, guys, before I share with you the update after 6 months, let me share with you the before status for all of you guys who haven't watched my previous videos. So I already had a okay beard, I guess. The only areas that were concerning me were these spots here, also these spots above the mustache, and the same on the other side. So that was the before situation. Once again, I ended up getting 500 grafts extracted from the neck area. These were actual beard follicles. Then they were transplanted on the left, right side, and also above my existing mustache. I went with a light asymmetry. The right side was more straight and the left side is slightly curved. Some of you guys might have chosen equally straight lines. I didn't, so that is just my taste, I guess. Now I want to play for you a video after 6 months so you can see how everything is growing so far. This is the left side. I'm really happy, really pleased with the left side, by the way. Right side as well. Right side, that's the side which is slightly curved, which is not as straight as left side. But again, it's very full, it's filled exactly as it should be. Again, we see a great blending with the transplanted hair on the right side and the existing hair. There's no scarring or anything like that. The extraction has been done homogeneously, so you cannot even see obviously patchy areas. It has been extracted homogeneously, which is great. Again, the neck area from this side, and it just looks very fine to me. I mean, literally, guys, there's nothing that I will be worried about as far as scarring or anything like that. So yeah, it looks very clean, very nice. Again, homogeneously done extraction, which doesn't make it look patchy or over harvested or anything like that. That was the point, to do it like that. So again, this is from this angle. From here, we definitely cannot see any issues, any over harvested areas, just homogeneously thinned out neck area. So this is all transplanted, or pretty much most of it. The same on the other side. And also above the mustache. Alright guys, at the end of this video I'd like to do a quick Q&A. I would like to answer some of the questions which had been posted on my last beard transplant update, 4-month update, where some of you guys ask the following question. What is the post-medication and treatment after your beard transplant recommended by your doctor? As far as treatment, there's only the lotion which will be applied on the area where there were extractions done. So I was applying the lotion for the 5 days. I wasn't applying anything on the recipient area, to be honest, besides saline spray, but you can also watch that in my first video. So there is no real medication as such, but minoxidil you can use for the areas on the beard where you still think that there could be more growth coming. Maybe there are some soft hairs, white hairs growing, and you can theoretically, you could bring them into better thickness. You could thicken them up with minoxidil and microneedling, so you could start doing that pretty much already after your beard transplant, as long as you're not going to roll on your transplanted areas. Don't do it, so you will just prolong the healing. You can, you know, damage the transplanted beard follicles. You don't want to do it, but you can do it like if you get a transplant here and you still have some visible patchy areas here maybe and here and there, you can use minoxidil and needling every single day on these areas. So yeah, I do recommend it, but as you see, I'm not going to do it with myself because my beard is already pretty even. It's not the thickest beard ever, but it's pretty even everywhere. Like it's the same, about the same density, the same thickness, so I'm not going to bother with minoxidil and derma rolling, to be honest. And that's the reason why I did the beard transplant here and here, because last thing I want to do is every day doing this, like do the rolling, and then put minoxidil here and wait until it absorbs, so I cannot like drink and eat a couple, maybe half an hour. Like annoying every single day. It's not worth it for me to do it, like rub it in here and maybe swallow some of the nasty minoxidil. I tried that. I'm talking from experience. That's why I did the transplant, man. Anyways, but you can do it. You can do it if it's not gonna be limiting you in your lifestyle, daily routine, and it's gonna have a good benefit. So try it. Looks awesome. The donor looks untouched. Thank you. Thanks, man. What else? Just get multiple hair transplant, a beard transplant, ear procedure, and live in the gym. And you will be a Chad bro. In all seriousness, let the beard grow and see how it looks. No, I don't want to grow it so much. I actually like it as it is right now. Like this length is perfect. But yeah, you are right about that. Good comment. Anyways, Matt, I forgot to mention you should do a video. Okay, beard transplant relevant only. I only need 500 grafts on my beard. I have got a good neck donor area. I have had 2 hair transplants also. I know my stuff. How much would 500 grafts cost? If you go to the clinic where I went, it's like €2.70 per graft. So €2.70 times 500. That's going to be your price. So something like €1,000 and something. Okay, looks good. I would have used the grafts to thicken the hairline and mid-scalp. No, you cannot thicken the hairline with beard grafts. I mean, you can do it, but it's not going to look the best, man. Trust me. You can thicken the mid-scalp, though. Yeah, it's good. I'm going to use some of them for my future mid-scalp. I still have like 500. I'm going to have all of them extracted later on and use them for that. Great result, Jake is saying. Thank you, Jake. They took 500 grafts for only this result. I think you get screwed. No, I didn't. Really, take a look at the before and after result, and that's really what 500 grafts will make of a cosmetic difference. So yeah, obviously, if you think this is like something that it's not worth it, then don't do it. But I'm saying this is 500 grafts, what you see before result. It definitely kind of corresponds to the number that was quoted and what got implanted. So yeah, this is what I expected too, because I know what 500 grafts can do. And it's literally like a little cosmetic difference. Let's be honest, like, yeah, of course, it's not going to be like the whole beard with 500 grafts. Impossible. So you gotta have the right expectations. All right, guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for following these updates, and hopefully they're also valuable for you guys. So thank you so much for support. Smash that like button. Comment below if you want me to discuss some other beard transplant related topics I haven't delved into. Make sure you comment right now, and I'm gonna be here soon with another hair loss or hair transplant related video. Take care.